Yeah, so uh, it is within. Can you see my screen?
So the closest purpose is real society of which strikes electric bike and winter sports helmets commonly. That's been the same happened in PFDs starting this summer.
What do you understand by the closing with the purpose?
So closest purpose is like he's telling us to enter this competition thing.
We as a society have made great strides in making the bike and winter sport helmets
And with this,
commonplace. That means any winter sport, okay, whether it's a bike, they are into the bike or so, the helmet is compulsory. Without protection, no one is allowed to take part. Is it clear?
okay.
So, one more, can we? One more example is there.
What did you say?
One more example.
Read it again.
Which part is the formatting here?
What did you say?
Read out on the screen. This is another sample.
Uh, Free one-on-one sweeping the classroom. Local food page September 27.
You missed the formatting part. Can you identify the formatting part here?
The formatting part is the lead in reference.
The first part.
The first part, okay.
Why it is missed, Devansh? Where is the
What?
why it is missed? You need to say the four parts. What are the four parts of editorial letter?
Oh, first is formatting, then is introduction, then body paragraphs, and then conclusion.
Right. So here which part is the introduction?
Introduction. The one-on-one sweeping the classroom, that thing.
That means it's a response. RE means response.
Response.
And what is the topic name or article name? It's written one to one sweeping the classroom. One on one.
Okay.
And within bracket what is given?
Local front page September 27.
What do you understand by this?
What local front page September 27.
What it is?
It is the when it created, when it started, when it when he sent it.
The page, the front page of the newspaper called named local, the dated September 27. This overall thing is called the introduction. Identify the body of the text.
I have what I just call it. I have to attention span. Do I read the body?
Yes, what do you understand from the body of the text?
The body is like the main part, very tells them what to do, like tells them the message.
Now read out the message.
Yeah. Where the body part is when it tells the person he wants to send the message.
Yeah, so read out. Identify the
I
body
want
part. Hmm.
I want a girl call a digital native. I just started my senior year in high school. I don't know a world without a smartphone. While I while I find great use in mind to connect with friends, learning anything in an instant, and getting through a day a little easier with various apps for this. And for that, I know it has been at the cost of my attention span.
Did you understand the text?
Yeah.
What is the meaning? Can you please tell us?
The meaning of what?
Meaning of the text.
Oh, it basically means he is the ginger grit has started his high school and he doesn't know a word without a smartphone. So while so he started his senior high school
Why?
because while I find the great use in the mind to connect with friends and he can learn anything in an instant and also get through my day little easier.
Using various apps. It
Using
makes.
various apps for this and for that, I know it has been at the cost of my attention span.
I know it has been at the cost of my attention span. What do you mean by this line?
What does span mean?
Attention span. At a time, I cannot focus on one topic or subject for more time because my attention span is getting shorter as I use a lot of smartphone, use the gadget and the apps to search anything on instant. Do you find there is a
Okay,
criticism? Is there a
okay, got
criticism?
it. Got it.
Where is the criticism?
The criticism is in the. It is in the. What do you call? It is in the when the adults. I have started my senior high school and don't know a word without a smartphone.
Who is criticizing to whom?
Ginger Grit is criticizing about the high school.
He is criticizing himself as he's been addicted to the smartphone.
Okay.
Now, coming to the next part, can you identify the conclusion?
It is he wanted every student has a device all day long so they can learn a lot of things. In
Hmm?
district going one on one. Through
Studies are what you are reading. I'm not able to, it's not clear.
so
I
the
wonder.
handwriting is as it's farther effective. Remember that reminding and typing.
Mhm. I wonder from here, read again.
I wonder if a device is had for every student all day long is the best way to learn as so many of the area districts are going on one on. Continue.
Yeah, the conclusion part, you have to make me understand what is written. You read and then make me
Students
understand.
okay. Students are now coming out with findings that say otherwise that handwriting is far more effective way to remember than typing. Public students often are known to be behind in technology curve. But I wonder if that is such a bad thing after all.
Can you make me understand the last paragraph?
So he wondered if every student had a device in the high school, and so he can learn a lot of things one on one, and also all the handwriting, and they also practice the handwriting, and they say that far more effective than typing.
What is the conclusion about what Ginger Greed wants to say?
Like it's about like I wonder. It is how is it working on stuff like that.
What is his confusion? What is his thought here? What he's thinking about the gadget?
He's thinking about. I wonder if a device in hand for every student all day long is the best way to learn so many things, like going one-on-one. He's thinking about that and about handwriting is a far more effective way to remember than typing. He's thinking about those two main.
He is confused when a smartphone or a gadget is so helpful device to know so much around us. At instantly we type a lot rather than we write. It affects our handwriting. And the public schools are behind this technology curve because they make us to write in the class, they make us to write the notes. But we are habituated in typing in smartphone and get the answer instant. So I wonder, here comes but. I wonder that I think, is it such a bad thing after all? This is the conclusion. He is in confusion
What did he say?
whether using
Like
a
what the
smartphone it's good or bad.
it is bad.
It with that thought, he's concluding his editorial letter.
Yes, so it's basically he's doing opinion.
Yeah. So, as these are the sample letters, now we will be trying to have uh, our own editorial letter, right, Devansh? So, write down the
Yeah.
homework. I want to get your homework. Take the picture of your writing in the notebook and send me in the WhatsApp. Homework is
Okay.
write an editorial letter about,
Wait a second. I'll just write a detailed stuff for the homework.
yeah, editorial letter on
14 May 20. What do I write?
homework, the editorial letter on use of
Write the.
smartphones.
What did you say? I cannot hear you.
Editorial letter on using smartphones.
Write the editorial letter
Usage of smartphones.
on you can
Usage of smartphone.
on usage of smartphones.
Yes.
Usage